Hello and welcome, dear friends and companions. I hope you are all doing very well today. In this video, I want to explain to you, my dear friends, how you can connect Cursor to your WordPress websites. Let's begin exploring this process together now. You know that Cursor has an option to work locally and over SSH. It doesn't have a built-in option to connect to WordPress or shared hosting accounts. But with a bit of creativity, we found a way to make this possible for you. Connect Cursor to your own WordPress site. Once connected, use it to make any changes you like. Apply whatever updates you want directly through Cursor. Please apply this on your own website, on your own WordPress site, using the Cursor software. So, stay with me through this whole video. I want to give you this training so that you can actually do this task yourself. The first point you need to keep in mind is this. By default, Cursor only lets you connect through Localhost or SSH. That's it. So, practically speaking, you don't have the option to connect directly to your shared hosting or to connect directly to WordPress itself. But in this video, you'll learn exactly how to do this task step by step. But what is the actual method? The way this works is simple. There's a plugin available called Lumo Site Pilot that we'll use. This plugin steps in. It creates the necessary access permissions that Cursor needs to work, so that Cursor can gather every piece of data it needs from your website. That includes access to files, the database, and anything else you might require. You can hand off changes, fixes, edits, and even testing directly to Cursor within your project. Cursor is then able to fully and completely connect and communicate with this plugin. So here's what you need to do. First, install the Lumo Site Pilot plugin on your own WordPress website. Once that's done, go ahead and get yourself a key, so you can give that prompt to Cursor. This lets Cursor understand what you want. Then it implements it for you on your WordPress site. The connection method works like this. First, you visit the lumowp.com website. From there, you get and download the Lumo Site Pilot plugin. Then, you install it on your own site. It will give you a key. You need to copy that entire key completely, then give it to Cursor and tell it to connect, so it can connect to your site and make the necessary changes there. Now here's something important you should keep in mind. The key point to remember is not to worry about WordPress errors. If a problem happens somewhere and it causes a fatal error, don't panic about it right away. The plugin can connect through its emergency file. It uses this connection to fix files, debug them, and perform the necessary checks that are needed. So Cursor can handle the connection with this plugin for you. It can even take care of this specific part on its own, so please don't worry about it. The next important point is this. You should always take a backup of your website. Do this on every single day that you plan to make changes through Cursor. Because Cursor is an artificial intelligence, it can sometimes make mistakes along the way. Always make sure to back up your files first. If you have cPanel, it's easy. Just go to the backup menu there. You can take a backup if you'd like. Okay, now let's open our browser together. Let's see what this feature looks like. First, go to the Lumo WP website. There you can see this plugin listed right here. Now click on this button. This lets you get the plugin for the site you need. Download the plugin first, then install it on your site. This step is really simple to complete. You can easily do all of this directly inside the Lumo WP website. Now, I'll place the link right below this video for you. After you've downloaded and received the plugin file, come over to the plugins section in your dashboard. Once you're there, look for the option and click on Add Plugin to continue. After that, click on the Upload Plugin section, and here, you need to upload the file you got from lumowp.com. I already did this earlier, so it's ready now. Here, I'm choosing the file. Now, I'll click on the file, so the plugin gets installed for me. As you can see, the plugin has been installed. I'll click the Activate button now. Once activated, you can see the plugin is installed here for me. Then, go to the Lumo WP menu and click into the Site Pilot section. Here, it asks us to follow a certain set of rules carefully. Accept the rules before continuing. Keep in mind, for security reasons, you should delete this plugin. Do this once your work is completely finished. This plugin ends up doing a lot of different things on your website, so you should really only use it when you actually need it. Okay, let's go ahead and accept that risk together. Make sure to take a backup before continuing. This backup is really for your own protection, so keep it safe. Now, I will copy this entire code. Now let's move over here into the Cursor app together. I'm going to place it right here in this spot. As you can see, I've already written a piece of text here in this exact location. I'll place this code down here. I wrote, please connect to my website. Follow the rule I give you. Then write back that I'm connected. Here's another thing we need to do. This is about how you bring this rule in. At first, you won't have it. Let's go into your Cursor project folder now. Once you're inside that same project folder, go ahead and create a brand new folder there. Just make that one single folder for now, nothing else. Create a new folder here and give it a proper name. Then go ahead and open that folder by going inside it. Once you're in there, create one more folder within it. Name it Rules and go into that folder. There's a file inside it. You'll find it on lumowp.com, the very same site where you downloaded this plugin. In the Account section, the plugin also gives you a file called Rules. That file has the MD format. You need to place this Rules file inside this Rules folder. Put the file here, just like I'm placing it now. I paused the video for a moment and placed the file right here. Now, open up the Cursor software and go, look, it brings this rule for you. Then it reads the rule, connects with this key, and says it's connected. Now watch closely as I press the Enter key. Let's see exactly what happens next. Here you can see it clearly says I'm connected. And now, right at this point, for example, type here that you want the WooCommerce plugin installed. So let's type, please install the WooCommerce plugin for me. Now let's see what it does. Watch closely. On our site right now, the WooCommerce plugin isn't installed yet. It's simply missing from this website. Now I want to show you exactly how Cursor goes ahead and installs it for us on this site. Look, you can see Cursor is working away, and it's connecting now. The installation is happening right in front of you, step by step. I think it's almost completely finished at this point. Okay, look. It installed WooCommerce for us. It used the information that it was given earlier. Now, let me refresh the site here and check. Here, the WooCommerce menu should be added now. Yes, look, the WooCommerce menu got added completely. All of it, for me. With this plugin, you can easily do everything you need to get done. Cursor takes care of all the work for you automatically. All you have to do is simply use it. Best wishes, take care.